Welcome back to Lantu Ebike channel. Let's take a look around this classical model and then go ride it. Sleek, classic good looks make this Bolsun electric moped an all-time favorite. Equipped with a 500-watt electric motor, perfect for all types of riders. Equipped with 48-volt 20-ampere removable lithium battery. Get instant acceleration from a standstill with a top speed of 20 miles per hour. This electric moped features easy-to-use controls with a digital display, LED lights, and a convenient USB outlet. This model also comes with a remote alarm. Reliable, efficient, and affordable. It can travel up to 45 miles on a single charge. Charging time is 4 to 6 hours. Enjoy this exciting classic electric moped. Able to carry passengers. 18-inch wheels, disc brakes and hydraulic suspension for smooth handling. We can customize different colors for you and provide door-to-door service. If you are interested, you can contact us to get the latest quotation, or you can leave a message in the comment area. Thanks for watching. See you next time.